2,000 UAE dirhams. Awesome! Hello, Chef. 皆さん、こんにちは。シェフ滝です。Even though we are apart, chefs are working and training Japanese cuisine in the Middle East right now, which is a very cool thing about. So, Chef Association in UAE, Emirates Culinary Guild, wanted to do something special to bring us in GCC all together. Even Japanese cuisine chefs, they hold online chef skills competition. Theme is Cook with Egg and Poultry from USA. They are searching the participants from UAE, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, and Oman. The winner will make UAE 2,000 dirhams. Awesome! I'm really excited to share this information with you. I hope you are up for the challenge. One thing that you need to know about the competition, it involves making the recipe of eggs and poultry from USA, and then recording your cooking method yourself on video, and send it to Emirates Culinary Guild. Step 1 is easy. Registration to Emirates Culinary Guild. I've also added the link to it in the description below, so if you wanted to check it out, you can. Step 2 is following the competition rules. If you are a professional chef, well, you probably already know how to create the dishes, right? Once you've done to making a recipe and practice the cooking method, the techniques, as many times as you want to them, you need to record yourself. So you can do it on a phone or your computer, but make sure that you are filming in landscape mode, not portrait mode. The last step is just to make sure you are a subscriber of Emirates Culinary Guild YouTube channel. The deadline is Wednesday, 11th November. Okay? So I'm really excited about this. I'm really looking forward to seeing your recipe and recording. Good luck, chef. The competition has been beginning.